Hello, this is Patrick White from AA Commodities and Investments with your Wednesday, July 15th morning market update. At 7:25 a.m. here, we've got outside markets slightly higher. The September S&P is up 45.5 points at 3229. The Dow Jones is up 544 points at 27,034. The stock market is seeing some buying here this morning as the September S&P has charged above the 3220 resistance level here overnight on hope for a COVID vaccine. In March, about 45 people took part in a vaccine study which proved to boost the immune system like doctors had hoped, and it was a successful study. They are now looking to do a 30,000-person study, and that's going to be conducted on July 27th. They are gearing up to be ready for what I would assume to be mass immunizations by the fall, and the expectation of the vaccine in the future has our stock futures gaining higher this morning. Grain markets are mostly higher here overnight. December corn, well, it was mostly higher here. We're down 1 3/4 cents here at 332 even there. And November soybeans are up 3 cents at 8.80 overnight. Corn is still having issues staying afloat, though, as traders continue to liquidate in the face of good rainfall expected here this week and next. At this current time right now, there's a line of storms going across southern Iowa and the northern half of Missouri, and that's expected to hit the northern half of Illinois and parts of Indiana today, and those areas have been dry, so some welcome rains there. The weather is still winning out for the corn market here despite the single-day record corn sale of 1.7 million metric tons purchased by China reported yesterday. Couple that with last week's 1.3 million metric ton sale, and the Chinese have bought about 120 million bushels of corn here in this past week, which is massive. Despite this, corn is still signaling that weather needs to take a turn for the worse, and that weather is still 100% in control as they're basically shaking off these sales. We need to see weather take a turn for the worse if we're going to get a rally out of the corn market here going forward. The soybean market saw a little bit of decent buying here overnight, up 3. This morning, it was reported that as many as 10 cargoes of soybeans could have been sold to China yesterday. Couple that, with some other smaller sales reported to them, and traders are actually responding to those sales as far as soybeans go. At the least, the news has kept the 870 low intact for the November contract. We haven't gotten a huge rally yet, but we've been able to keep that 870 low in for the November contract, and that's gotten traders just to stop liquidating, despite the better rainfall expected on corn. So a little bit better news for soybeans there, and hopefully we can hold the 870 level. Traders will be looking at that going forward. So that's all I've got for today. Have a productive day out there, and remember that there is significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give me a call at 712-262-7606. Thanks.